So Jodi, in one of your blog posts, you used the B word in reference to how one should act in the workplace. Talk a little bit about that and maybe why there's a bad way to be a B word and a good way to be a B word.
Yeah, I don't know if there's a bad way and a good way to be a B word, but women that are assertive and decisive, and a lot of the things that make women good leaders, or if they're aggressive, will get tagged with, what'd you say,
the B word, right?
And part of the challenge with it is, to some degree, you just have to accept it. So if you're going to be a female in leadership positions or be really visible, that comes along, unfortunately, with the territory. And women get dubbed the B word for things that a man would never be criticized for. So part of it is just accepting it as maybe not such a negative thing. Maybe if we look at it more as a compliment, it's a easier way to handle it.
The B word means like maybe you're onto something.
Maybe. You're onto something.
You're onto something.
Maybe you're the B word.
Maybe. I don't think you're a B word.
Thank you.